Documents can be managed outside of a contract. To quickly find documents related to my award ID, I can simply select Documents from the left-hand menu and enter the award ID in the top search field. The system brings back all documents related to that contract award. I can narrow my search down to include only documents at the post-award stage by selecting that corresponding classification. I can narrow my search even further by using the Filters menu, expanding the index fields. The fields shown here are associated to the post-award classification. I want to add the description to my search, and then I can use it to find a specific document. The Actions menu gives me a list of options to manage my document. I'll highlight a few here. If I want to open a contract from the document, I simply click the View Contract option. If the document shows up in more than one contract, the system will prompt you to choose which contract you'd like to open. I can check out a document, which locks a document, not allowing another user to check in a new version while I have it checked out. I can quickly check in a new version of a document. I can modify the index values on my document. To view a document, I can use the Actions menu, or I can click on the link label. PDF documents can be viewed within the app without the need to download a file.